Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English speaking practice. So I've uploaded multiple videos on YouTube of English practice. So if you are a beginner and you also want to basically learn English language, so you can watch my videos where you can learn a lot of things regarding uh, speaking in English language. So today I've chosen one picture which is this one, right? So I'm going to talk about in this picture. Let's see how much I'm able to speak because this is very interesting because whenever I see picture and I try to calculate words, so it feels like effortless, like I'm speaking on English language. So let's move on to this video and just get started because as we all know, we are a if we are a working profession, we can also like give at least 5 to 10 minutes of English, like whatever our dreams and goals are, because that is the most important thing for ourselves, and so we need to work on that as well. So let's jump into this video. So if I checking, there is lots of kids who are playing in this picture, and as I'm checking as well, there is someone's mother as well who is sitting on the chair from the right side of the corner, and there is one basically child in a in a purple shirt and a blue pant, where he is seeing the basically moon by his binocular, and in between there is two child basically who are like playing with like playing doing the exercise in basically i- in the instrument that is between there, and there is like a girl who is like playing with the dog and just roaming with him, and there's two child as well who are in the basically a tree and climbing on the tree and just sitting over the top of the tree and just seeing all around the child and just laughing with the jokes. And so yeah, and this is a very interesting picture where you will see a lot of greenery, and along with that there is mother who is like reading books regarding plants, right? And yeah, I've been like this image basically shows like how much important it is to like be with nature and to enjoy your time in a garden basically. And so yeah, on this picture I'm able to collect these kind of basically words. I think I should need to be build a story. I think I probably think so, but by having this kind of different pictures cannot able to basically collect that, and don't able I'm not able to build the story, but that is the important thing, right? Like upcoming days I'll try something new and try to basically build a story, and basically my main core focus is on speaking. So whatever the things I get, I just try to at least speak on it, because this is how if I can speak more comfortably, because if you are speaking every day, so you are basically getting your mind that you are speaking fluently, and you are basically you need to convince your mind, and rest of the thing is doesn't matter a lot. So on this video, that is it. I hope you will understand like what it takes to be basically speak of what it takes to be like be a fluent English speaker, right? Just need to speaking in front of anyone, but whosoever are there, it doesn't matter like what you are speaking. At the end, if you understand and you can basically communicate to others, so that is what more important, right? On this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.